Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite methods to free up space on your Windows 10 machine without any special software. So let's get started. Click on the start button and then find settings. Now click on it and search for storage. Find storage sense and click on it. I want you to understand that the settings app on Windows 10 is a new control panel and there are lots of things which you can do using this app. Although you can search for storage settings app in search, I want you guys to know where everything actually is in your computer. Once storage sense is open, it gives us a C drive size and all the main categories of files and folders with its size. When you click on show more categories, you will find more information. Now all the categories are visible. First one is system and reserved, occupying 42.5 GB. When I click on it, I can't delete any of this. Clearing these files is not possible. If you try to do it, it's basically the core Windows 10 file, so the Windows 10 might not work properly. Anyway, going to the next category. It's called App and Features. When you click on it, you will see all the installed apps on your machine. A quick tip to see which app is taking up a lot of space. You can sort the list of apps through size instead of name. As you can see, the list of the largest apps at the top. If you have installed apps on more than one drive, like I do, you can filter it here. These are the list of apps sorted by largest on the top and only installed on my D drive. The easiest way is to filter it by all drives, which gives C drive and D drive in this instance. As you can see, you can uninstall apps from here if you want. The next category is called Other Category, which has 22.7 GB. Let's see where all my large files are hiding. If you saw my other video to free up space, where I cleared more than 34 GB, this looks like a tree size app I discussed. The video will be in the description or in the cards if you want to watch it. It has few amazing methods to clear space on your Windows machine. When you click on the second largest folder, which is virtual VMs, Storage Sense opens the folder for you and you can delete it or keep the files. Okay, let me open the first folder, which is taking up close to 13 GB. I think I can delete all these files as I don't need, as it's cache files. As you can see, there is 8.32 GB available on my C drive. The size of the whole folder is 13 GB and I'm deleting it now. I immediately have 21.4 GB free space on my C drive now. Great. I don't think it reflected in Storage Sense yet. Let me reload it. Okay, now the other folder only has 9.71 GB. That means it's all clear, so it's all updated. Cool. You may or may not have other people as a category. You'll have it if you have other accounts on your computer. Now the other category is temporary files. You can check all the boxes except downloads if you're like me who don't want to move files out of downloads folder. Click remove files. Once that's done, move on to the other categories. You may be wondering why I have no documents, pictures or desktop items here. Well, I don't have anything stored on my C drive and all the data is redirected to D drive for security, and that also backs up to the cloud. Well, the best part about this app, Storage Sense, is that you can find the drive usage on other drives as well. When you click on this, you'll see all the drives which I'm using on this machine. My D drive has all the data as I mentioned earlier, and I can clear space on D just like I did on my C drive. Let me clear some temporary files on D drive as well. My other folder here has quite a bit of variety. You can also make some changes with Storage Sense settings. Click on Configure Storage Sense. This utility deletes your temporary files for you automatically after a set time. You can also set to automatically delete recycle bin files after a selected time. In this case, it's 30 days. You can also automatically set to delete files in the downloads folder if the files are not opened up to certain days. As I mentioned earlier, you can run storage sense after a set time. For now, I'm cleaning up space manually. After everything we did here, we got 22.8 GB free space on C drive. Well, that's it for today. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Peace.